Hi, everyone. My name is Heather McWilliam, and I am the CEO and founder of a global movement called Brave Inspires Brave. And we are the portals of heart living for local communities worldwide. And I am the Maverick Heart of living your brave dreams. And today we also have with us the Phoenix Heart as well, Patrick Samay. And we're going to be talking about how we are inviting sponsors into our community, into our movement, those that we feel in this way feel aligned, as we feel that this is the best way to co-create and collaborate a brave world, a brave shift together that we can make the most meaningful and impactful um, impact with local communities worldwide. This is not something that we can do on our own, and we feel that the greater resources that we have available for everyone's wellness, in integrity, in vitality, emotionally, spiritually, physically, with ourselves and humanity and nature, that this is the way that we make it possible.
Yeah, I love how you say that. So, in our explorations that we have done now for a couple of months, we just felt to get sponsors on board who are collaborating, who want to be part, who are aligned, who relate, who resonate, and who rise with us together is actually the best way to get Brave Inspires Brave as the portals of heart living for local communities worldwide out into the world. And when we talk about local communities, it is really about one on one, and yet in a small community, bigger communities, and communities worldwide. And we know that this is, in a way, the way forward. So we stand for the choice of well being and vitality. And those brave dreams that Heather has, and I have too. So we can create a new relational harmony with ourselves as complete, with others, humanity overall, and that human experience that we're all sharing in all these shifts and challenges, as well as nature, spirit, and the earth and life. Because I feel we are all here to live. So to do this together with sponsors is just a beautiful opportunity to make it really happen. This is where I come from.
Thank you so much for sharing that so beautifully. It is about unity, it is about connection, and the power of the heart is so much stronger when we do it together because brave inspires brave. And together we are so much stronger. We have so much love to give and so much light to share. And we hope that you will join us in alignment for this global movement as we do this together and we soar and we rise and we land again and again.
Wonderful. So we're looking forward to hearing about you, to meet you, to have conversations, and to get you on this beautiful global movement of Brave Inspires Brave and our family.
If you'd like to reach out to us, please connect with us at heather@braveinspiresbrave.com, and we look forward to speaking with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.